Hey guys, what's up? It's Zach with KT Outdoors, and I just wanted to take a quick moment today and talk to you a little bit about some of my favorite organic liquid fertilizers. These are two. I actually picked these up at Home Depot. So this is the Kellogg Garden Organic Plus. I really like this one because it has fish and kelp and molasses all mixed in together. It ends up being a totally balanced fertilizer. It's a 2-2-2. So this one's been really great. The other one that we use a lot is the Alaska fish fertilizer, which is a 5-1-1, so really heavy doses of nitrogen, which is outstanding for helping your plants get off to a good start, especially once you transplant. Now, I will admit this is something that I sometimes forget to do. I have a few different YouTube gardeners that I follow that remind me of these things. This dose of nitrogen is really good for transplants that are trying to get started. Really good practice when you transplant things out like peppers and tomatoes and stuff like that, to hit them with these types of fertilizers, particularly these high in nitrogen ones, early on. And so what I do is I try to pick a day a week. You can make up your own version of this, right? Like weekly Wednesday feedings is one way to potentially remember it. Feed 'em Fridays is another way to remember it. But you want to make sure that about once a week in the early month or so of growth, you are feeding your plants with some sort of a liquid fertilizer so that it's highly available early on. And it's simple.
Listen, I plant seeds and I grow all of this beautiful stuff. And I hope that this channel is helping you realize that you can too. But I need your help to grow this channel like I grow this garden. Because I have decided that each of these videos is like a little seed that I plant in the ground. And hopefully in time it grows. But in order for that to happen, it needs a little fertilizer and it needs a little water. And you can help with that by giving it a thumbs up and maybe even commenting down below. Even something simple like nice vid or thanks for the info or whatever. Comments and thumbs up really help these videos get seen by other people who might find them useful too. So help us grow this channel like we're trying to help you grow your garden by giving it a thumbs up and a like. And maybe, well, I guess that's the same thing, right? A thumbs up and a comment. And maybe even consider subscribing if you haven't already. We try to release content as often as we can, usually 3 or 4 videos a month at a minimum, just showing you how things are going and giving you tips and advice on how to do things in your neck of the woods. So thanks for being here. We sure do appreciate you, and we'll see you in the next one.
Early on. And it's simple. We just take these fertilizers and I put them in a simple little watering can like this. We put in some water and then we just go around and, I'll drop in some footage here of me watering different stuff with these fertilizers. And it's okay to get it on the leaves a little bit, that's called foliar feeding, when you hit the leaves with a little bit of fertilizer, and you'll see some great results. Like these tomato plants here were transplanted really late. You can tell they were really late because those tomato plants are huge, and they were kind of honestly sitting here limping along. And then I saw that video that reminded me oh yeah, hey, you're supposed to feed those things. And so I started hitting them a couple weeks ago with the liquid fertilizers, and now you can see they're starting to really take off, especially these ones over here. They're just going gangbusters. So anyway, feed your plants, keep them happy in the beginning, and you will have way better results with your transplants getting off to a good start. Super simple. That's all for this one. We'll keep it nice and short today. This is Zach with KT Outdoors, reminding you to get outside and get growing, because life's better when it's lived outdoors. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.